Today, we got something different. Let's get to it. What is going on, guys? My name is Marvin Galley, back with another video. I hope you guys are having a good day. And today I got a pair of shoes to show you guys that comes from a brand that I personally am a huge fan of, but I haven't been buying kicks from them for the longest time. So without further ado, here is what I got. The VANS Anaheim Edition Style 73 DX. So these shoes came straight from Manila once again from Sir Van Viardo. So sir, thank you, man. I really appreciate all the help that you've been giving me and the channel. Without you, I have no shoes to review. More power to you, sir, until our next transaction. Now, I love Vans, man. Vans are literally the only shoes that I wore back in high school, from skate highs, eras, authentics, half cabs, chukkas. Vans was definitely that brand for me. But the reason why I haven't been buying a lot of Vans lately is because I couldn't really find any pairs that I wanted. And if I do find myself wanting a pair, those pairs are really out of reach, meaning that they don't release here in Baguio City. More so, they just release in Manila and in other places. So it really sucks and it's very frustrating. But now that I am a part of these Facebook communities and sneaker groups like House of Vans PH, Waffle District PH, Vans Off the Wall PH, and just coming across and making connections with sellers such as Sir Van, who are very passionate about helping other people get the shoes that they want, I can finally grab the pairs that I have been looking for. So quick history on the Vans Anaheim collection. So any shoes that are a part of these Vans Anaheim packs actually pay respects to Vans' long and prosperous run in the sneaker industry. So all of these shoes are modern takes and reiterations of those that were originally made when Vans was starting as a brand back in the day in Anaheim, California. A timeless silhouette, more premium and better materials, modern technology, and just amazing build quality, and voila, you have an Anaheim edition Vans shoe. Shoes worthy of paying homage to Vans' evolution as a brand. And these Style 73s are one of those shoes. Now these shoes are very simple and minimalistic like most Vans are. I got these in a black and white colorway, as you can see. There are other colorways out there like a red pair, and there's also a baby blue pair, but I opted for the usual black and white because it helps with the versatility of the shoes. And these shoes can definitely go with anything and everything in my wardrobe. I can dress these up, I can dress these down, wear them extensively, wear them casually. And I think that's the cool part about having Vans in your rotation, is because you can literally beat these guys up, beat them to the ground, and they will still not go out of style. And I think that's why Vans is such a big staple in the sneaker rotations of people, because these will definitely last you a long time. And now let's get into some details of the shoes. So starting off at the bottom, we have your standard Vans gum waffle outsole. Now going up a bit, we have your vulcanized midsole that is done in this kind of off-white or cream color. Now this is termed as a marshmallow midsole by Vans, and this definitely gives this part of the shoe a kind of aged effect or look. And also this part has a little bit of shine to it, which is how the OGs were made back in the day. At the back of that, we have your heel tab that is done in red with your Vans skateboard logo on there that says Vans Off the Wall. Next, we have the uppers of the shoe that is mainly made out of black suede. Now for a shoe that comes from the Anaheim pack, I'm a little bit disappointed with the quality of this suede. It's very hard, it's rough to the touch, it's not soft or plush by any means, and I get that it may help with the longevity and as well as the structure of the shoes, but I would have liked it to be a little bit better quality and more premium feeling. On the toe box, around the lace holes, and at the back of the shoes, we have another layer of this black suede. On the lateral side of the shoes, we have your V branding that is done in white. We have better quality laces that are done in the same color as the midsole. we have a black tongue that is also done in suede. On the top of the tongue, we have a label that is done in original and retro fashion that says Vans off the wall. We have your usual cream colored guts. The back of your tongue is also done in cream with your size tag and the continuation of the tongue label that says Vans, world's #1 skateboard shoe, style 73, done in red. We have a layer of white leather that is found at the back of the ankle collar. In the inside of the ankle collar, we have more white leather that is a different shade from the strip that is found at the back. And rounding everything off, we have your Vans Ultra Cush insole. And that is everything you need to know about the Vans Anaheim Style 73 DX. Overall, man, I am really happy with this purchase. These shoes definitely rekindled my love, my interest, and my passion for Vans, and I'm just really excited to get a lot more pairs and try to rebuild my Vans collection real soon. So with all that said and done, I am on to the next one. Like the video if you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button down below if you want to see more content like this coming soon, and if you have any suggestions on how I can better my videos in the future, leave a comment down below. Also, tell me what your favorite Vans model or silhouette is. Marvin G, I am out, stay grounded.